Welcome back, YouTube. Today we're going to talk about how to get discount USPS shipping rates for free and how you can avoid waiting in line at your local post office. I think this is a great tip and really useful for anyone who ships a lot for business purposes or for those of you preparing to ship Christmas gifts. Pirateship.com gives you commercial shipping rates. There's no cost for an account with them, there's no hidden fees, and it's free to sign up. Let's take a look at what rates they can offer you. We live in Alaska, so we'll punch in our zip code there, and we'll punch in a random zip code on the East Coast. We tend to ship a lot of flat rate boxes because that works best for us, but you can put in any type of box or an envelope type mailer or flat rate. So we're going to do flat rate today. And you can come and check these out yourself, see if it would make sense for you. We like to do a lot of large flat rate boxes. So right here, if you went into your local post office and paid at the counter after standing in line for maybe 30 minutes on your lunch break or after work, I think that's just crazy. That's a waste of time when you can do it all at home. You would pay $21.10 at the counter. If you do it at home through Pirate Ship, $18.70. That's $2-3 in savings. That adds up if you're shipping a few boxes. How do you create an account? Create an account. Real easy. Punch in your email. Punch in your address to get started. We already have an account, so we'll go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll come to this screen and it shows you all your previous shipments. You can create a single label. So today we're going to be shipping an item to one of our customers. You can paste in their address, select your address, and scroll down. Here is where you can select what kind of package you're going to use. They have all the flat rate options, the regional rate options, and priority mail express. Now, if you're not familiar with those, we'll make a future video on how to get these boxes for free, how you can avoid spending money on shipping materials. U.S. Post Office offers lots of different options to ship almost anything you would need. You can also use a regular box, or today, since this is a small item, we're going to be doing an envelope. Put in the dimensions, and then the weight. It's a very light item, 2 ounces. Come down here, you can see extra services. This is where you can add in signature confirmation if it's something valuable you want to make sure arrives, extra insurance, or media mail if you're shipping books or music or films. Review their other regulations for hazardous materials. This one isn't hazardous. Get rates. Let's see what they find us. So, it tells us that first class package is going to be the cheapest option. It'll arrive 1 to 3 days, and it saves us 18%. That's pretty big. Plus the time savings. There's a few other options here if you don't like that, but first class being the cheapest and arriving in 1 to 3 days, that's what we're going to choose. We are saving from $4.20. They're only going to charge us $3.43. Not huge, but it adds up if you ship a lot, and the savings can be even bigger if you're shipping larger items. Ship date is going to be today. You can punch in your payment options here, and then you can purchase the label. Once you purchase the label, it's going to bring you to this screen. You're all set. So you have the tracking details here. You can copy that, save it for later, whatever you need. Come down here, it'll show you what you paid, and then you can print the label. Printing the label is really easy. You don't need anything fancy. You don't need any sticker materials, you can print it on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper and tape it to your package. And just like that, you've shipped it. Now, some of the advantages of doing it this way. You save money, and like I said, you don't have to wait in line. This item's already paid for, already has the mailing information on it the post office needs. So you can drop it in a box at the post office. You can go into the office, and usually somewhere on the counter they have a sign that says prepaid, set here. So you can skip the line, just walk in, set it on the counter, and rest assured it will arrive where it needs to arrive. Just like that, that's how you use Pirateship to save money and time. Thanks for watching.